Alright, what's up guys? Here we have an Outlander 850 2018, and if you have one of these things, or a Renegade, or usually any other Can Am besides a side-by-side, you're going to have rear diff problems. You're going to have to change your rear diff oil like all the time if you ride in mud and water like we do. So I'm going to show you how. First you'll need a 15mm wrench and a 15mm socket. You can use 2 wrenches, but this is just way much easier. And you're going to want to take this off. It's just 2 bolts. Help if I put it on the right way. Yeah, you just take this off. It makes it a lot easier to get to the drain plug. Alright, now that you got that off, you're going to take your fill plug and your oil drain off. It's going to be a 5mm for the drain and a 6mm for the fill. I'll just take them both out. You're gonna have to anyways. This would be a lot easier if I had an ATV lift. And your oil should look like that. If it don't, you might have some problems. It does get all over your frame. I don't really know a way to stop that, but I'll get right back with you when it drains. All this oil is drained out. Now all you gotta do is put the drain plug back in. Try your best not to drop it in that bucket of oil. Your transmission. You want to get it snug. You don't have to get it tight. And now I use Valvoline 7590. A lot of different people recommend different stuff, but that stuff works. I always keep a little bit of hose to put on the end. It makes it a lot easier to get it in there. And what I do is just fill it up until it kind of starts running up the top of the diff. Get it filled up to the top where it's just running out a little bit. And then you just go on and put your fill plug back in there. And just like your drain plug, you want to just get it just a little snug. Don't have to be too very tight. That's pretty much it. All you gotta do is put your little cover back on. Both of the bolts are the same. Use my hand as a hammer. I just saw the sand falling out of there. No matter how clean you get them, it just seems like more sand comes from places. But that's pretty much it on that. Basically all I do after this is ride it around a little bit, kind of slow. I don't know if that's recommended, but I guess it just sounds good. And I like to wash out from under there so your carport or your garage won't be smelling like diff oil, because, well, everybody knows how that smells. If you don't, try it out. You won't like it. But that's pretty much it, guys. If y'all have like any more things y'all want to see on an Outlander, Renegade, any of the bikes we have, just let us know and we'll show you the process. We're not professionals, but you know, we do the best we can. And thanks for watching. Y'all like and subscribe. I'll catch y'all later.